Hello guys, welcome back with another course of our Audacity. In this video, we are going to learn about the audio clipping. The audio clipping is basically the monitoring of audio in which we are going to learn about how to monetize, how to monitor our old audios and our old volumes in the Audacity. For example, when how to control our recording, mic, volumes. So in this video, we are going to learn about that. In previous videos, we have learned about the introduction of Audacity. Then we have learned about the tools that we are going to use in Audacity, the glitch that most commonly are arrived in Audacity because this is an free version. So some of the glitches are arrived in this Audacity software. That glitches are also be controlled in this software, so don't be scared or don't be worried about that. And then we have learned about how to copy paste and cut the unwanted track from our videos or our audio track here. So in this video we are going to learn about the monitoring of our audios and recordings. So first of all, when we start the video, here we have the option on our screen. There is an option of here mic. So this indicate the level of the recording level that we are going to record, on which level we are going to record, that indicates on here. So I'm simply going to right click on it and I enable the silent monitoring. So as you can see that what I'm talking in the mic, so it shows it like a wave here. So this is basically the volume here. So if I decrease it, so the wave will become the most lower here. And if I will increase it here, then it will come more violent and more sharper here. So this is basically the work of monitoring in the Audacity. So we will learn about whole that monitoring and audio clipping here. So same as here we have the same option of that playback level. So when we are going to record something, so we use this one, and when it is recorded and we want to listen it, then we use the playback level here. So we will listen it more clearly. If we want to make it more louder, so we can drag it here, and if we make it something more slower and less louder, then I will drag it to the right side, so the playback level is at 0. So now I will show you how does it sounds on that level of recording here. So simply again I'm going to click on that record button here, and now you can see that our recording level has been increased. The waves are out of that audio tracks. So when I'm going to decrease that audio level here, recording level, so you can see that the waves will become shorter and shorter here. Okay, now you can see that the wave has become shorter. That is the basic use of that recording level. Now you can see that I will drag it the track here. The audio levels are much up higher than that the track here. So it will sound more violent and more louder. It will really sound that you cannot even listen it properly what you are going to say in this video and what you are recording here. So this is very important for you all, that to maintain your recording level as your mic level, how sensitive your mic condensity is, same as your recording level will also be arranged here. So now I'm going to play that and listen how does it sounds. And now you can see that our recording level has been increased. The waves are out of that audio tracks. So when I'm going to decrease that audio level here, recording level, so you can see that the waves will become shorter and shorter here. Then again I have okay, now you can see that the wave has become shorter. This is the basically use of that audio leveling tool here. And if we I'm going to first of all I'm going to play that whole track here once again. Now you can listen that I'm going to play here, and now you can see that I have decreased the volume here. So as I increase the volume are out of that audio tracks. So when I'm going to decrease that audio level that what are the basic use of that audio levels and recordings level here. So again I'm going to add one more track here to tell you that how to add tracks and what are the uses of these side boxes here on the left side of that screen. So I'm going to add a track. So as you know that our first track is stereo, so I'm also going to select the second track as well as stereo track. Okay. Now, if you want to record some other instrument here, so just simply add another track here and start recording. It will record as the lower portion of that recording that you have been record first here. So I'm going to just simply start the recording button here. First of all, I'm going to manage my recording level here to 58. So when I'm going to decrease that audio level here, mic check, here recording level. Mic check, so you can see that the waves will become okay. Now you can see that we have two recording at same panel here. So when I'm going to play it, how does it sounds? You will see. So that when I'm going to decrease that audio level here, recording level, so you can see that the waves will become okay. Now I'm going to mute the first one here, and I'm going to play this one track here. Hello, my check. Now this track, the only track which is playing is the down one because I have deselected the up one. If I mute it and I demute it, so this track will be played. Recording level. Now, so this is basically used when you are going to record many instruments in this software. So you use this type of techniques to record that type of music instrument. So this is a very basic lesson to know how to use the basic features of Audacity. So you can also, this is the volume button of the specific track which you are going to use in your Audacity. So you can increase or decrease the volume of that specific track here. This is the paint center. If you drag it to the left, so it will sound in your left ear. If you drag it to the right, it will sound in your right ear. So these are the similar volume knobs here to maintain our sound and our volume techniques in that specific track. So if you want to play the solo track here, so you can also click on that solo track here. For example, if the both are unmute here, and if it is solo here, recording level, so you can see that the waves will become on the solo shorter, so that automatically mute the second one. Okay, now you can see that the wave has become shorter, and you will remove that solo button from here. Now you can listen that solo track will be played. My check. So these are the basic uses of Audacity and the basic professional function of Audacity that make your work more easier and more faster. So I hope you have understand my whole lecture very carefully. So this will very useful in your upcoming lives. So stay tuned. We will further discuss about more effects and uses of effects and adding of tracks here. So we will discuss in further videos, so stay tuned and copy that whole thing that I have already told you in my course, so that you will understand the further course more properly and more accurately. So stay tuned, we will back with another video. Thank you.